I will show you some beautiful exclusive Nakshi Katha designer sarees. The first saree is price 8200. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. And it's dyed. We have dyed it. So there is two color combination. It's a beautiful one. It's a bird motif, Nakshi Katha bird motif. Multicolor thread embroidery all over the saree. See, all over the saree. This is the first fold. And the border is also very beautiful. It has a paisley border. And this is the second fold. See, very nice combination. Red and tussar. It's a natural color. Very nice color combination. The red is not bright. It's very beautiful. It's a matte finish red. And I'm showing you the blouse piece. It has a beautiful blouse. See, this is the blouse piece. Wow. This is the blouse piece. Wow, it has a beautiful blouse. This all over you will get this design and the border also. The price is 8200. I am showing you again the first fold. See. Now comes one Vishnupuri 3-ply silk. The combination is very smart. It has a black with grey thread embroidery, katha stitch, light grey and deeper grey. Very smart combination. Very smart combination. Yes, it's a 2.5 meter all over like full coverage katha. And in the pleat portion, you will get border also with the butta. See, this is the look. Very nice combination. Very sober and very smart combination. All over katha stitch embroidery. See.
UPI QR code कोई भी हो.
The price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. Okay, this is the second one. Now comes one very nice and very sober combination. White Bangalore silk saree with all over this motif. See the work quality. Wow. It is a very nice color combination. Multicolor with the pink shade. All thread are pink and mauve shade and a little bit tint of royal blue. It has a very gorgeous look. Still it's a white saree but still it's very gorgeous. And work quality, I must say, it has a very intricate work. This is the first fold, see, and this is the second fold. And all over the saree you will get this design. This is blouse. See the blouse. Wow, it has a nice blouse color also. Okay, the price of this saree is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now comes one very beautiful and very pretty, very contemporary design. It's a butterfly design. Your most loved one. Wow, see. The pink color also very beautiful, very nice, very soft. And in the lower border you will get butterfly even in the upper. And in the middle you will get these butterflies also. Very nice color combination. The price is 7,000. The price is 7,000. Very nice color. It's a soft pink color with white thread butterfly all over your saree. This is the first fold. See, and this is the second fold. And in the blouse you will get 3 butterflies, one in the back and 2 in the sleeve. The price is 7,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. another Bangalore silk sarees. The price is 7800. The price is 7800. The price is 7800. See, it's a dark purple color. It's a dark purple color. Very rich color. Very rich color. See, very dark color and very nice and very contrasting color. This is the first fold. See, this is the first fold and this is the second fold. Wow, very nice color. And it has also a very beautiful blouse piece. So it's a running blouse. All saree you will get silk mark. All saree you will get silk mark. This is the blouse. See. So all over the saree. Price is 7800. Now another very beautiful, very pretty color. It's a double tone color. It's a double tone color. I have to open the whole saree because you have to see the work portion of the katha. See, wow, the pallu design is very beautiful. See, you will get all over paisley like in the pallu and all over the saree like this design. Very nice color. It has a double tone color. It's a cross weaving. Two different type of threads has been used in the weaving of the silk. And I am showing you the drape. It's an all over saree. See. The material is silk mark certified. It's a pure silk. It's a pure silk. And it's a nice saree. I must say it's a gorgeous, very, very perfect for any party. This is the first fold. This is the first fold. And this is the second fold. All over the saree you will get this design. All over the saree. And the blouse. This is the blouse. In the sleeve you will get all over design and in the back you will get this border. Okay, the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. Now you can see the double tone color of the silk. It's a beautiful color. Price is 8,000. Now another Sambalpuri handloom khicha tasar. It's a pure handloom material from Orissa traditional khicha tasar saree. I am showing you the blouse. First, this is the blouse. See, this is the blouse. It has a very interesting border. Close up into the blouse ta. It has a very interesting blouse. This is the blouse. Wow. And now I will show you the pallu. Blouse will come next to the pallu. See. This is the pallu. Price is 8500 and all over the saree you will get this design. All over your saree. Very pretty, very nice and very, purely handloom. Price is 8500. Sambalpuri Orissa Ghicha Tasar. Purely handloom material. All over saree you will get this design. You can see the texture of the beautiful Ghicha Tasar. It is a lovely texture. The price is 8500. Now we'll show you a double cross color again. It's a cross color. It's a very nice color. Wow, really it's a nice one. This is the pallu. It is a beautiful pallu. It's perfect for any wedding. or any parties. See the work quality of the katha. It has a very intricate work. We call it a Meenakari katha because it's like a Meenakari work, very intricate, very minute work. The color is a double tone color. It has cross color of purple and orange, red. It has a cross color of purple and orange. I am showing you the fold now. This is the first fold. See the design. It has a very nice design. This is the first fold. And this is the second fold. Very nice color combination. And now I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. See, very nice color. And the price is, I am telling you the price. Price is 7,000. The price is 7,000. Now another very nice color. It's a turquoise blue or cobalt blue or teal blue or peacock blue, whatever you name it. But it's a beautiful one. It is a bird motif. It's a very traditional bird motif katha. Wow. Very intricate work. Very intricate work. Corner to corner design, and all over the saree you will get this design. It's a turquoise blue, and please check the work quality. Very intricate work. It has a bird motif and a leaf and a floral. Very interesting design. Very nice design. And I'm showing you the blouse now. It is a beautiful blouse. See, wow. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. Okay, now I am showing you my saree. This is a pure Gachi Tasar. This saree is a pure Gachi Tasar. We have dyed it in a multicolor way. It's like a rainbow color dye. Very nice color, and see the texture of the tasar. It's a very soft, very fine, and very lightweight tasar. You can wear it in summer also. This is our signature piece actually. So the price is 8250, and it has a rose design. It's a nice color combination. See the combination. 8250. The price is 8250. Okay. Now comes another piece from our signature collection. See this. This is also a pretty color. Those who don't want red in their saree, this is the perfect one. This is also a pure Gachi Tasar with multicolor rainbow dye. See, it is a dark jamun color. Dark jamun color, and I am showing you the blouse. It is a very pretty blouse. This is the blouse. See, very pretty blouse. Even you can wear it in any other sarees also because it has multicolor. You can wear it any contrast sarees also. It will go with any other saree. Now I am showing you the drape. It's a beautiful color. It's a dark jamun color or a dark wine color. This shade is very interesting, the color shade of the dye. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. And the price is 8250. You will get silk mark on each saree. Now comes another, our signature design. Very nice and most demanded design it is. It's a very smart design, I must say. See the color. Wow. It's a midnight blue. The price is 7,000. The material is pure Bangalore silk. Material is pure Bangalore silk. It's a smart piece. It's not that much traditional one. Those, I mean the all over jal design or something like that. But it's very smart design. It's, you can, I mean anyone can wear it. a beautiful color and very smart design. See the design. Wow. Now I will show you the blouse also. It has a beautiful border, same like the sari. And you can imagine the color. It's very pretty color, very dark midnight blue, not royal blue, it's a midnight blue but very bright. And this is the blouse. See the blouse? Wow. You will get two paisley, standing paisley in the sleeve, and this is the back of the sari. Price is 7,000. Now another short color. Short color, I mean it's a cross color. This is the cross weaving of red and royal blue. This is the cross weaving of, now we will get the cross color. This is the cross weaving of red and royal blue. See the tone. It's a double tone. You will get two tone in one fabric. It's a royal blue and a red combination. Now I am showing you the work portion. It's a heavy work. I mean it's a full coverage. It is a full coverage all over the sari. Wow, see the design. It's a floral design. But you hardly can see the material. I mean how much coverage is it? The price is 8,000. See. And this will come in the pleats. This will come only in the pleats. Rest all over the body you will get this design after the pleats. Very nice color. It's a double tone color and the price is 8,000. Okay. It's a pure Bangalore silk. So beautiful divas, don't wait. Please subscribe our channel to get all those collection, and if you want to book any of these sarees, you can WhatsApp on the below number given and send a screenshot of the saree you want to purchase. We will definitely get back to you. Thank you.